Hello everyone. Today I'll give you some exercise questions and answers from the chapter 3 Energy of Physics class 7. Short or long answer question. Question number 1. Define the term energy. The answer is energy is the capacity to do work. Question number 2. State the unit of energy and define it. The answer is the SI unit of energy is joule. A body is said to possess an energy of 1 joule if 1 joule work is done to bring the body in that state, that is, a force of 1 Newton moves the body by a distance of 1 meter in the direction of force. Question number 3. Name different forms of energy. The different forms of energy are mechanical energy, heat energy, light energy, chemical energy, sound energy, magnetic energy, electric energy, atomic or nuclear energy. Question number 4. What are the two kinds of mechanical energy? The answer is 1. Potential energy, number 2. Kinetic energy. Question number 5. What is potential energy and state its unit? The answer is potential energy of a body is the energy possessed by it due to its state of rest or position. Actually, it is equal to the work done in bringing the body to that state of rest or position. Its unit is joule. Question number 6. Give one example of a body that has potential energy in each of the following. Number 1. Due to its position. Number 2. Due to its state. The answer is number 1. A stretched rubber band has potential energy. It does work in restoring itself to its original state. A pebble placed on the stretched rubber catapult is thrown away when it is released to restore its original state. Number 2. A hammer at a height has potential energy stored in it. The hammer has this energy because of its position at a height. A hammer dropped on a nail fixed on a piece of wood. It drives the nail into the wood. Question number 7. State two factors on which the potential energy of a body at a certain height above the ground depend. The answer is potential energy of a body in the raised position depends on two factors. Factor number 1, the mass of the body. Greater the mass of the body, greater is the potential energy of the body. Factor 2, the height of the body above the ground. Greater the height of the body, greater is its potential energy. Question number 8. Two bodies A and B of masses 10 kg and 20 kg respectively are at the same height above the ground. Which of the two has greater potential energy? The answer is the body B having mass 20 kg has the greater potential energy. This can be explained as P dot E equals to mgh. For both the bodies, gravity and height are same, so the body with greater mass possesses greater potential energy. Question number 9. A bucket full of water is on the first floor of your house and another identical bucket with the same quantity of water is kept on the second floor. Which of the two has greater potential energy? The answer is a bucket full of water kept on second floor has the greater potential energy. This can be explained as capital P dot capital E equals to mgh. Mass of both bucket and the gravitational force are same, so the body of greater height will possess more potential energy. Question number 10. Define the term kinetic energy. Give one example of a body which possesses kinetic energy. The answer is kinetic energy of a body is the energy possessed by it due to its state of motion. Example number 1. In a swinging pendulum moving to and fro, the bob has the kinetic energy. Example 2. A bullet from a gun. Question number 11. State two factors on which the kinetic energy of a moving body depends. Answer. Number 1. The mass of the body. Greater the mass of the body, higher is its kinetic energy. Factor 2. The speed of the body. More the speed of the body, more is its kinetic energy. Question number 12. Two toy cars A and B of masses 500 gram and 200 gram respectively are moving with the same speed. Which of the two has greater kinetic energy? The answer is the toy car A of mass 500 gram has the greater kinetic energy. This can be explained as capital K dot capital E equals to 1 by 2 mv square. Here both the cars are moving with same speed. So the car with greater mass will possess greater kinetic energy.